Structured versus unstructured data can be explained through a simple analogy of a house's front letterbox or mailbox. You see, mail arrives via the mailman or postman to the house and gets delivered in the mailbox at the front of the house. Now, at this point, you can think of the mail as unstructured data. That is, it needs to be managed, e.g., taken by the homeowner into the house, and something needs to be done with the mail, such as filing it into a system. After all, we can't just leave the mail in the front mailbox. We need to physically take the mail and do something with it. So what exactly can we do with this unstructured data, e.g. mail? Well, we can filter and file it into a system so that it makes more sense. Or we can dispose of the mail, e.g. the mail that is not important. At which point we can classify the mail, e.g. the unstructured data, as structured data. And structured data is data we would typically find in a database or a document management system. In this analogy, putting the mail or letters into a mail file system folder. Important technical keynote: structured data has what is known as metadata. Now, metadata is data about the data. Oh yeah! And with metadata, the structured data becomes even more valuable because the metadata gives us information such as the usage rights, source, data owners, retention obligations, regulatory obligations in a cybersecurity context, but in general, the mail system of who, what, why, and more importantly, what we need to do with this letter that was received at our house. And a halfway point between structured and unstructured data is semi-structured data. This is data that is not centrally managed in a database, e.g. a mailing system, but has some structure to it, such as the homeowner putting the letters into specific piles ready to be filed. And here is a bonus CISSP CCSP exam tip. To summarize, unstructured data does not have a predefined data model and is not organized in a predefined manner, whereas structured data is centrally managed, allowing better control of such data. And semi-structured data is a hybrid of structured and unstructured data, where it's not fully centralized, but it has some structure to it. I hope you found this video informative and enjoyable. If you did, it would be awesome if you could like and subscribe if not already to this channel. As I am a small content creator, and every like and subscribe really does help push this video further and further up YouTube, which in turn helps this channel to grow. Thank you for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed the content as much as I enjoyed creating it. If you would like to see more content like this, it would be super fantastic if you could leave a like and subscribe to help support this channel's growth.